Here's the question. 30 divided by 1/5 times 1/5. So let's write it again in the correct format. 30 divided by 1/5 times 1/5. Now if we check from left to right, we'll give the first priority to division and the second priority to multiplication. So next, 30 divided by 1/5 times 1/5. Whenever we get a format like this, we convert the division into multiplication here, and 1 by. We'll reverse the 5 and take its inverse, 5 by 130. We'll replace division with multiplication. We'll flip 1 by 5 to 5 by 1, and this stays the same, 1 by 5. So 5 cancels out with 5, right? 30 times 1 equals this. This is the right answer.